Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need a valid GitHub account and an active Copilot plan. Make sure you are signed in. First, back up editor settings and any custom snippets so you can restore preferences later. Then, in your code editor or IDE, open the Copilot extension panel and sign out. Also sign out of the GitHub web session to clear cached tokens. Once done, close the editor and wait a minute so temporary tokens expire before starting the reset steps. Next, revoke Copilot-related OAuth tokens and authorized applications in your GitHub account settings so old credentials cannot reauthorize. After revocation, uninstall the Copilot extension or plugin from your IDE. Remove cached extension folders if present. Restart your computer to terminate background auth agents and credential helpers. When the system is back, open the editor but do not sign in yet. Check credential managers for lingering GitHub tokens and clear them so the fresh install will request clean authentication. Finally, install the Copilot extension anew and when prompted, authorize using GitHub OAuth. Follow the interactive sign-in flow so you grant fresh tokens. Once authorized, enable Copilot in the editor settings and restore your backed up preferences. Run a few code completions and check the extension logs or output panel to verify normal operation. If suggestions fail, try disabling other AI extensions. Key troubleshooting tip: clear credential helpers and browser cookies, then repeat the OAuth authorization to eliminate stale tokens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.